Explaining birds from Angry Birds 2. Part 9. I think it's part 9. For every single day. Part 9. How? Yes, I didn't forget about the green boomerang bird, unlike Rovio. Unlike some people or something. Hell can spin around, becoming a saw blade. Basically, not it doesn't change shapes at all. It just acts like a saw blade. It is very good at certain conditions. Like sometimes you need him, and sometimes he's just completely useless like Boost. But unlike the Boost, he's actually tolerable. He's cool. And also he has a pretty good ability because his ability can still activate even when he is at the corpse state. And see you tomorrow. Actually, see you this night actually. But anyways, see ya today at night. No one's watching this at all, I think. If you watch until the end of the video, just like and subscribe. Wait, this is just painful to say. Yeah, like and subscribe or some shit. If you hate my content, use an older version of YouTube. Dislike, unsubscribe. And yeah, that's basically it. See ya!